like a bird on a tree. I'm just sitting here, I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together, it's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. Sometimes you need to go and take a step back to see the truth around you. From a distance you can tell. You and me were meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free.
We are a German Shepherd rescue, rehabilitation, and rehoming family dedicated to saving as many German Shepherds as possible. We are successful because we bring our recruits back to their natural pack mentality and family values, not ours. Our goal in videotaping our successes as well as our failures is to educate the public on what makes a German Shepherd do what they do. We do this by living the pack way with up to 14 Shepherds in our home every day. We are Misfit Shepherds. If you have questions about your Shepherd's needs, contact us through Misfit Shepherds on Facebook and YouTube.